Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. I am Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. So, we have completed our chapter number 6, that is Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Factor. Now, today we are going to start a very new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Can You See the Pattern? Now, before starting the chapter, we must know that what is the meaning of pattern. Do you know what is the meaning of pattern? Or have you heard this word before? So we know that pattern means that something is repeating again and again. If we consider one design and if it is repeated again and again, so we can say that it makes a pattern. So in this chapter we are going to see the pattern, different patterns and going to identify how it is repeating or how it is different or same to each other. So let's start. Isha, your skirt is beautiful. Now one girl is saying that Isha, your skirt is very beautiful. Then Isha said, my mother made this pattern. The girl said, I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta. Isha said, how was it different? Now a girl is saying to Isha that your skirt is beautiful. Then Isha said that this pattern is been made by her mother. The girl again said that she has seen the same design, same blocks with different pattern on different kurta. So the Isha is saying that how it was different. Then the girl is saying that in your skirt the rule of the pattern is one up and one down. Then it is repeated. Now can you say that is the girl is saying correct? So carefully look this pattern. You can see that one is upward and second one is downward. Again one is upward and second one is downward. So this way all the design are been repeating. Now the girl is saying, but in my brother's kurta it is once up then takes a 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. So the girl said that in my brother's kurta it is once up, that means it is one is upside and then it takes 1/4 turn every time, and the rule is that it makes turn of 1/4 clockwise. So you can see in this pattern, so this is the pattern that was made in his brother's kurta. So you can easily see that one is upward and then it takes 1/4 turn, that means it goes like this. Then again it is up, then again it makes 1/4 turn, so it will go down, the pattern will go down. Again it takes 1/4 turn, so it will goes on left hand side. So this way the pattern is been repeating. So this is how the Isha's design and pattern and the brother's kurta pattern was different. I hope this is clear. Now let's see ahead. Now you use this rule to make patterns with this block. Also make your own rule. Now see, by using this rule what we have to do, we have to make the pattern of this block. So how you will make? So first what you will do, you will make the pattern by using this rule. After then second you will use this rule and make the pattern. So this will be your homework. Let me explain how you can make. So by applying the first rule, this rule, what we will do, you will first draw this flower in the same way, then second flower you will draw downwards, that means this leaf portion will be upwards like this and the flower portion will be at down, like something like this. So this way you have to make the pattern. First you will draw this, then second this, then again you will draw this one, then again you will draw this one. So this way you will repeat the pattern, so it will become a pattern. The second rule was that the design will take 1/4 clockwise turn. So suppose first you will draw this pattern, after that you have to make the 1/4 turn, clockwise turn. So how you will draw? Second you will draw like this. This way the leaf will come here and the flower will come, petals will come here like this, right? Then again you have to make 1/4 turn, so you will draw like this. the leaves will come like this and the petals will come like this. I hope this is clear. So this way you have to make the different patterns. So this will be your homework. You have to draw this in your notebook. Now let's move ahead. Turns and patterns. Look at the block. We make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the pattern. So you have to look at the block and you have to see that 3 different rules are been given and you have to understand that pattern. So rule 1, repeat it with a 1/4 turn. So you can easily see that first block is like this and after 1/4 turn it will goes like this, right? Then third will be again by after 1/4 turn it will look like this, then this and this. So this way you have to see, you have to repeat it with a 1/4 turn. The second rule is you have to do a half turn. So after half turn, that means it will, if it is upside, then after half turn it will go downside. And in third one you have to repeat it with 3/4 turn. So it will take turn more than half. So it will, suppose it is upside, then after 3/4 turn it will go on left hand side, and if it is downside then it will go to the right side. So this is how the pattern is been repeating. Now practice time. So let's see what is given. What should come next? Now carefully observe this picture. You can see that this pattern, right? First is this way, then second is this way, and third is this way. So in fourth, what you will draw in the fourth box? So see, carefully observe. In the first figure, the dot is like this on sides. Then after turn, after in the second one, the dot goes like cross, like this, right? And in the third, it is one up and second is down, like this. So in fourth, what you will draw? How you will draw? So you will draw like this. Make a perfect round, then make a line, then one dot will be here like this and second dot will be here like this. I hope this is clear. So this will, you will draw in the fourth. And in the fifth one, what you will draw? In the fifth one, you will draw, make a round, then make a line like this and put the 2 dot like this. So this is how you will draw. I hope this is clear. So you have to draw this in the textbook itself. Now let's see the next one. So what is given? 1 1 1, right? It is given, first is like 1 like this, then second is like this, then third is like this, then fourth, what will come? Again you will, in fourth box you will draw 1 like this, then in the fifth one you will draw 1 like this. I hope this is clear. So this thing you have to draw in your textbook itself. So I hope this much is clear. So for today this much only, and in our next class we are going to see further what is given in our textbook. So thank you so much.